Hi there. So today we're going to talk about Carhartt t-shirts, men's t-shirts to be exact. So my husband loves the ones with the pockets, and so let's take a quick look at them. I think most people are probably familiar with these. They are good t-shirts. They're really good quality. They are nice, thick fabric, and they hold up well. The pocket is especially nice in the age of cell phones, to not have to have anything in your pants. This one is well loved. You can see there's a hole there. There's a couple stains. There is another hole. But this is a few years old, and my husband is hard on t-shirts. He welds. He works on the car. He works on the boat. I'm happy with it. I think for the price, that the quality is amazing. So I just got him a couple new ones. Haven't even opened them yet. Probably give them as a quasi gift, just because he likes getting them. So pretty blue one and pretty kind of heather gray one. So they're under $20, and they make a great gift for the man in your life or yourself. If you like a nice heavy duty t-shirt that fits well, looks good, is comfortable, and has a pocket. Everyone loves pockets. All right, that's it. This is an easy, quick review because I don't have any cons. This is all pros. The only con maybe you would have would just be the style. So if it's not your style, then don't worry about it. All right, click the links below to check these out on Amazon. And thanks for watching. Bye-bye.